Hi besties, welcome back. Okay, this is Luna. She gets crazy when she sees me with a wig. Luna, leave me alone. Yeah, so I just got home from work and Luna is trying her best to ask for attention. Yeah, so I just got home and I passed somewhere to buy some. Why are you biting me? Why are you obsessed with my hairs? So I have bought some stuff, so I think I have to show you what I've bought for my new week. Luna, this girl is probably. What do you find there? Luna, what are you looking for? Hmm? There is nothing for you there. Yeah, no treats today, no money. Move, move, move. She's trying to smell if anything for her is there inside. Move. Luna, what do you want? Hmm? Tell me, what do you want? Hmm? Luna, what do you want? Hmm? Baby Luna. Hi, bestie. Move. Oh. Luna. Luna. Food. Food. Come. 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 Food is here. Now sit. Sit. I lost my tripod, so today I have to use my hand and show you what I got. I always shop once per week. So I want Luna to try pumpkin. So instead of adding only carrot, I will be putting pumpkin as well. They say pumpkins are very good for cats. So I got this one. I also got sweet potatoes for myself. They're very dirty. I have to clean them. I also got green peas. I like green peas with rice. I also got, oh, it's very hard to do the video with one hand. Okay, I got tomatoes. I also got cassavas. They also need to be washed. I also got these baby beans. I don't know how they call it, but these are very yummy with rice. Okay, I also got round potatoes. They also need to be washed. And here I got yams. Okay, what else in here? Also got this Royco from Tuesday. Got carrots. Oh my god, yeah, carrots. And what else? I got onions. And oh, I got ginger and garlic. Yeah, and that's it for one person. I also got a soap. This is my favorite soap actually. I really like it. So yeah, this is all I've got for my entire week. So let's clean everything and pack together. So here's everything packed. This is cassava. I will freeze it. And here are my peas. I also freeze it. I also freeze this. I already put on freezer. I forgot that I had to make a video. Yeah, so this I will freeze as well. I will freeze also the sweet potatoes and yams. I've already washed everything. These are cassavas, yams, sweet potatoes, the peas, and the baby beans. I don't know how to call this in English, but this is everything. I will freeze this and use, yeah, ready to be used. You reach there, Luna. Look at this cat. From here to there. How did you reach there? Oh my god. I don't know if she can calm down. Come, come, come down. Luna, look at this. How did you reach there? How can you come down? Okay, come, come. Oh my god, how she can calm down? Let me find a way. Luna, light treats, huh? Done for today. Done. Done. Done for today. Finally, you are tired after stressing me. Luna, good night. Good night.